Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give it a like. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, remember that this overview reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today we're taking a look at Smaato, Smaato.com, a mobile-first digital advertising platform connecting publishers and app developers with advertisers. Smaato empowers publishers to monetize their inventory through various ad formats, including native, video, and display ads. They boast a global reach, providing access to a diverse demand pool, helping maximize revenue potential. Smaato's platform offers granular controls, allowing publishers to fine-tune their monetization strategies through features like custom ad placements, advanced targeting options, and detailed reporting analytics. For app developers seeking to integrate ads into their mobile apps, Smaato provides a comprehensive SDK and a range of integration options. Their platform is designed to streamline the ad integration process, making it easier to manage and optimize ad campaigns. On the advertiser side, Smaato provides access to a vast inventory of mobile ad space, enabling targeted campaigns across a wide range of apps and mobile websites. They offer a self-serve platform where advertisers can create and manage their campaigns, set budgets, and track performance metrics. Smaato leverages its technology to ensure brand safety and ad quality, utilizing sophisticated fraud detection mechanisms and viewability measurement tools. This commitment to quality helps maintain a healthy ecosystem for both advertisers and publishers. One of Smaato's key strengths lies in its focus on mobile-first advertising. As mobile usage continues to grow, Smaato's expertise in this area positions them well to help publishers and advertisers capitalize on the mobile advertising landscape. Their platform is constantly evolving, incorporating new technologies and features to stay ahead of the curve in the rapidly changing mobile advertising world. So, if you're a publisher looking to maximize your mobile ad revenue, or an advertiser seeking to reach a mobile audience, Smaato may be a platform worth exploring. Be sure to check out their website at smaato.com for more information.